Hi everyone, it's me, Mr. Jim. Maybe you'll notice a change in my voice now. That's because I'm drinking a lot of water lately, and I finally got my voice back. Yay! Today, we will draw a new friend in Mini and Mikey Mouse barber shop. Meanwhile, I will tell you some jokes. Watch until the end. I have a challenge for you today. Are you ready to start? Do you know how the barber win the race? He knew a shortcut, of course. Do elephants snore? Only when they are asleep. What does my dog do when he goes to bed? He reads a bedtime story. What did one toilet say to the other? You look a bit flushed. What do you think of that new dinner on the moon? Well, food was good, but there wasn't really that much atmosphere. Why did the kid bring a ladder to the school? Because she wanted to go to high school. Do you know what you call a dog magician? A labracadabrador. How do you get a squirrel to like you? Act like a nut and you're gonna see. Do you know how a scientist does freshen his breath? With experiments. How are false teeth like stars? They come out at night. What buildings in your town has the most stories? The public library. How do you talk with a giant? Use big words. Do you know why the kid crossed the playground? To get on the other side. What did the little corn say to the mama corn? Where is popcorn? What does every birthday ends with? The letter Y. And the last one, and probably one of my favorites, is: how do you stay warm in any room? Well, you go to the corner. It's always 90 degrees. I hope you did enjoy my jokes. Don't forget, stay till the end, as I have the challenge for you today. And now it's time for the challenge! So, because you can't leave a comment on my videos, we are going to play a game for the next video. So I'm gonna know, what would you prefer? Give a like if you want to joke again, or give a share for having a story. I hope you did enjoy today's episode, and I hope you like my new voice. If not, I'm gonna stop drinking water. No, I'm joking. I'm still gonna drink water, and I'm gonna have this voice from now on. So, see you again soon. Bye!